Greeting to all. Today we will discuss about Suggestopedia. It is one of the method to teach English, especially a foreign language from Pedagogy of English. This method is developed by the Bulgarian psychiatrist educator George Lozanov. Suggestopedia is a specific set of learning recommendations derived from suggestology, a psychological theory. So it was Suggestopedia was developed in 1970. It is a language teaching method originated in the 1970s, and the name combined the term suggestion and pedagogy. The combination of suggestion and pedagogy is called as Suggestopedia. So here suggestion is at the heart of the theory of learning. Underlying Suggestopedia, it aims to help the learners to overcome the feeling that they cannot be successful, and so removes their mental barriers to learning. Because according to Lozanov, we do not use our mental capacities to the full, as we have within us many psychological barriers. So there is a fear within us that we will not be able to do well. The learner learns from the effect of direct instruction, but from the environment in which the instruction takes place. The bright decoration of the classroom, the musical background, the shape of the chairs, and the personality of the teacher are considered as important in instruction as the form of the instructional material itself. Equipment, aids, posters, charts, music are used as aids. The chairs are arranged in a semicircle with the learners facing the front of the room, where charts and visuals are arranged. Varying the tone and rhythm of presented material helps to avoid boredom through monotony of repetition, and to dramatize, emotionalize, and give meaning to linguistic materials. Both intonation and rhythm are coordinated with the musical background, helps to introduce a relaxed attitude. So this state is felt to be optimal for learning, in that anxieties and tensions are relieved and powerful concentration for new material is raised. The three main principles of Suggestopedia are 1. Joy and psycho-relaxation. A relaxed and happy mind will enable the learners to use their hidden potentials. Hidden potentials ante daagi unna samartyalu. Such conditions facilitate the learners involved in meaningful activities using the new language with interest. Next, second one, to have access to the reserve powers of the mind. Next, third one, to bring a harmonious collaboration of the conscious and the unconscious areas. So these all are the three main principles of Suggestopedia. Next, features of Suggestopedia. First one, target language and mother tongue. Second one, teacher centered method. Third one, bright, cheerful classroom with comfortable chairs. Next, fourth one, soothing background music. Fifth one, positive suggestion and negative desuggestion by teacher. And sixth one, new identities for learners with target language names and new occupations. Next one, printed target language dialogues with mother tongue, translation, vocabulary, and grammar notes. reading of dialogues by a teacher with rhythm and intonation matched to music. And next one, reading of dialogues by learners just before sleeping and rising. Next, last one, classroom activities based on dialogues, including question and answer, games, and songs. So, these all are the features of a Suggestopedia. So, then procedure. What is the procedure of using Suggestopedia in teaching learning of foreign language? So, first one, something classical and soothing music is given to the students to listen. So, what is the necessity of using classical music? In order to create the relaxed state in the learners and to promote positive suggestion, Suggestopedia promotes the use of music, a comfortable and relaxing environment, and to improve a relationship between the teacher and students. Next, the second step in procedure, students are asked to relax and close their eyes and do some breathing exercises. Next, third step, teacher uses mime and actions to give the students new identities such as delegates at a conference, tourists, or people in a play or film. Next, fourth one, a dialogue material based on functions is given to students in two columns. One column has a dialogue in target language and the other has the translation in the mother tongue of the learner. So, in Suggestopedia, as a teacher, you are going to take the support of both foreign language, you are going to take the support of mother tongue also. Next step, the presentation is given in different phases. First, presentation is done with a different voice level and rhythm. Next, the second presentation is given with a proper dramatic reading. Dramatic reading means what? With actions, which helps learners visualize a context for the material and aids in memorization. So, dramatic reading means what? Whatever is going to read by the teacher, so whatever information is available in that material, so based on that reading, some actions are going to be exposed by the teacher. So, reading will, at a time, both reading and actions are going to take place. Because of that reason, whole context, whole scene is going to be visualized in the minds of the children. Next step, the class comes to an end. The learners are asked to continue to go through the material. After ending of the classroom, learners are asked to continue to go through the materials. Next one, learners are asked to take roles and read portions of the material in the next class. In next class, students are going to take the different roles and they are going to read remaining portion of the material. And next one, the class continues with other activities such as games, role play, creative language works, etc. This in Suggestopedia, class is going to continue with other activities also like games, role play, creative language work, etc. And last one, the cycle continues with a new dialogue. So, this is the way of using Suggestopedia to teach English by taking the support of mother tongue. So, Suggestopedia is one of the method which is developed by the George Leseno by using psychological issues. So, that's why this method is a great method which is going to play an important role in developing communicative skills among students, among a pupil, because here both reading will be there, actions will be there, activities will be there, games will be there, everything will be available within the classroom itself only. Okay, thank you.